Stephen Hawking's Shocking Universe, 5 Mind-Blowing Truths. Introduction: The Cosmic Rebel. Hello, space explorers. Welcome. Today, we're diving into the mind of a true visionary, Stephen Hawking. More than just a brilliant physicist, Hawking was a cosmic rebel who dared to challenge our most fundamental beliefs about the universe. He took on black holes, the Big Bang, even the very nature of time itself. Prepare to have your mind blown as we explore 5 of Hawking's most shocking and universe-altering ideas. Shocking Truth 1. Black holes aren't the end of the story. For decades, black holes were seen as the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners, regions of space-time so dense that absolutely nothing, not even light, could escape their gravitational clutches. But Hawking flipped that script. In the early 1970s, he combined Einstein's theory of general relativity with the mind-bending weirdness of quantum mechanics. What he discovered was revolutionary. Black holes aren't completely black. They actually emit a faint glow, now known as Hawking radiation. Imagine a black hole slowly, ever so slowly, dissolving away over unimaginable timescales. This radiation happens because, at the edge of a black hole, pairs of virtual particles are constantly popping into and out of existence. Sometimes, one of these particles gets sucked into the black hole, while the other escapes into space, carrying away a tiny bit of the black hole's energy. It's like the black hole is slowly evaporating. This was such a shock to the scientific community. It overturned the long-held belief that nothing could ever escape a black hole's grasp. But the story doesn't end there. In 2014, Hawking threw another curveball, suggesting that black holes might not even have absolute event horizons, the point of no return. Instead, they might have apparent horizons that can temporarily hold information before eventually releasing it. This means that matter falling into a black hole might not be lost forever. This discovery of Hawking radiation was recently confirmed in a laboratory experiment at the Technion Israel Institute of Technology using an acoustic analog called a sonic black hole. The information paradox, a black hole mystery. Hawking's radiation theory opened up a Pandora's box of questions, most notably the information paradox. If black holes eventually evaporate, what happens to all the information about the matter they've swallowed? Does it simply disappear, violating a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics that says information can never be truly destroyed? It's like burning a book. The book is gone, but the information contained within it, the words, the story, still exists as ink particles in the smoke and ash. But with black holes, it seemed like the information was just gone. This paradox has baffled scientists for decades. In 2016, Hawking proposed a possible solution, suggesting that information isn't truly lost, but is stored in a cloud of zero-energy particles surrounding the black hole, which he cleverly dubbed soft hair. Think of it like a hologram imprinted on the surface of the black hole. While this hairy black hole theorem is still just a hypothesis, it shows Hawking's incredible dedication to reconciling the seemingly irreconcilable laws of physics. Shocking Truth 2. The universe had no beginning? The no-boundary proposal. Okay, prepare for another mind-bending concept. What if the universe didn't have a definite starting point? What if there was no single moment of creation? That's the essence of Hawking's no-boundary proposal, developed with physicist James Hartlell in 1983. This theory challenges the very notion that the universe sprang into existence from a single point. Instead, Hawking and Hartley proposed that the universe has the mathematical shape of a shuttlecock, smoothly expanding from a point of zero size. Imagine a shuttlecock. At its bottom, most point, it has a diameter of 0. As you move upwards, it gradually widens. According to the no-boundary proposal, the universe is similar. It expanded smoothly without a definitive starting point. This eliminates the need for a before the universe, or a creator, or any kind of transition from a time when the universe didn't exist. It's a mind-boggling concept that has profound implications for our understanding of cosmology and existence. Time itself begins with the universe in this model, making questions about what came before the Big Bang meaningless, like asking what's north of the North Pole. The entire past, present, and future are encompassed in what Hawking and Hartle called the wave function of the universe. Shocking Truth 3. We might be just one of many. The multiverse. Hold on tight, because we're about to go even deeper down the rabbit hole. One of Hawking's most mind-bending theories involved the existence of multiple universes beyond our own, the multiverse. The idea is that our universe's explosive birth during the Big Bang was just one of an infinite number of Big Bangs that occurred simultaneously, each creating its own separate universe. As Belgian physicist Thomas Hertog, who collaborated with Hawking, explained, think of it as many universes, so not just many solar systems, but really an ensemble of separate worlds. Some of these universes are completely empty, and others are full of black holes, and yet others have stars and galaxies and life. This theory is incredibly shocking because it challenges our conception of uniqueness and our place in reality. If Hawking was right, our entire cosmos, with its billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, and countless planets, might be just one bubble in an infinite sea of universes, each with potentially different physical laws and properties. But Hawking wasn't entirely comfortable with the idea of an infinite multiverse. He worried that if anything is possible across infinite universes, then scientific theories lose their predictive power about our own universe. As Hertog put it, if a multiverse is too gigantic, too wild, then our theory won't say anything about our own universe, and so it's useless as a scientific theory. In his final paper, titled A Smooth Exit from Eternal Inflation, Hawking sought to control the multiverse by creating a mathematical framework that rendered it finite rather than infinite. He believed this would transform the seemingly untestable multiverse concept into a testable, verifiable scientific framework through the detection of powerful gravitational waves created by multiple Big Bangs. Shocking Truth 4. The universe is populated by primordial black holes? Hawking was the first physicist to explore in depth the theory behind primordial black holes that might have formed spontaneously in the earliest moments of the universe rather than from collapsed stars. These hypothetical objects could have virtually any mass and might have played a crucial role in shaping cosmic structure. Recent research suggests that Hawking radiation from these primordial black holes might have significantly influenced the early structure of the universe. One particularly shocking possibility Hawking considered was that these primordial black holes might constitute the mysterious dark matter that astronomers believe permeates the universe. Hawking's warning to humanity. Beyond his groundbreaking theoretical work, Stephen Hawking was also deeply concerned about the future of humanity. He often warned about existential threats like nuclear war, artificial intelligence, and climate change. He passionately believed that our survival depends on colonizing other planets within the next 100 years. He believed that spreading out into space would ensure our species' survival against global catastrophes. He even cautioned against the possibility of contacting alien life, comparing it to historical events where advanced civilizations exploited less advanced ones. It shows that even the greatest minds consider the hard practical realities of the universe. Conclusion: Hawking's enduring legacy. Stephen Hawking's theories about the universe have consistently challenged our fundamental assumptions about reality. From black holes that aren't entirely black to a multiverse of infinite possibilities, from a universe without a beginning to the possibility that primordial black holes shaped cosmic evolution, Hawking's ideas transformed our understanding of the cosmos. What makes these theories particularly shocking is not merely their counterintuitive nature, but their profound implications for our place in the universe. If Hawking was right about the multiverse, we inhabit just one of countless realities. If his no-boundary proposal is correct, the universe never truly began in the conventional sense. And if his ideas about black holes are accurate, even these cosmic devourers aren't the inescapable traps we once thought them to be. While some of Hawking's theories remain unconfirmed, others have been validated by subsequent observations and experiments. As science progresses, we may find more evidence supporting his revolutionary ideas, further cementing his legacy as one of history's greatest scientific minds. A physicist who forever changed how we understand the universe and our place within it. His legacy isn't just about complex equations and mind-bending theories. It's about daring to ask the biggest questions, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, and inspiring generations to look up at the stars and wonder. What theory shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing explorations of the universe. Thanks for watching,